Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is video about how to make a professional logo design. Today is video is very interested, so please subscribe my channel and let's get started. Firstly, I open Illustrator, take my size and you take your size. And then open my drawing file. Now it's need to opacity getter then to less than. Then I select layer name. Then I take a circle shape. Now it needs to path. And then it's need to some twact. Then it need to some stroke it. Now again it copy. And again. It is very easy and simple, so you do it. Okay, it is perfect. And again it copy. Okay, it is perfect. And again a circle. And then again a circle shape. Again it copy. It's okay. Then I take a long path. It is very easy. And again. Now I take again. Then I before path extra side for remove. Then I some customize it. And extra side for remove. Okay, it is perfect. Then it's for remove. And again the other side. And then again it copy. And other side for remove. Okay, it is perfect. Then I again a circle path. And again it many copy. Now I extra side for remove. Okay, it is very perfect. And then again for the other side. It's okay. No, I take a first circle path. Then it's some rotate it. Now other side for remove. It's okay. Then I take stroke it. Now I customize an extra side for remove. Okay, it is perfect. Then I take a lawn shape. And I choose color selection. Oh sorry, now some take path. Now I take a path for its. Then again for its. Okay, it is perfect. Then I customize it. Now I take a shape. And I take a text. And I choose a font selection. The Wind King. Now some stroke it. And I page choice brown color. Then it's need to text distance. It's okay. Then it's remove and I take rectangle shape. Again it copy for king text. Then I wing text large too small. And it's. Okay, it is perfect. And then this text some stroke. It is beautiful. Okay, thanks for watching video. This channel is graphics designing channel. So please subscribe my channel.